Yeah, I don't want to talk about this. Like, come on, it's just 2 months, okay? Oh, so you're welcome back to the channel, and today we're gonna see how you can make this normal looking dark photo to this. So yeah, we're gonna use Photoshop for this. So yeah, before starting, make sure you subscribe with the bell, and let's begin the video. Also, this video is inspired from Spoon Graphics, so make sure to check them out. They make amazing Photoshop content. You may find this channel helpful. So yeah, let's start the video. So first, import your photo to Photoshop, and if you want the same image, you can find the image link in the description box. And now what you have to do is, once you import your image, go to your browser and search ellipse png, and you can find this image. If you want the link of this, also it is in the description box. And just go and copy it from here, just paste it here. All you have to do is you have to come here and select this magic wand tool. Now click on this black area and hit delete, and do it for the other areas too. When you have done that, what you have to do is hit Ctrl D to remove the selection. Now what you have to do is Ctrl T. What you have to do is flip this, and now just place it where you want and crop it of how much, whatever size you want. It's like this, and you can see the black portion is still here. Now what you can do is just go to the tool again and just hit this black area and delete the portion. Once you done that, what you have to do is place it where you want. Once done, just click on this tick check mark. Now what you have to do is double click on this png. Now we have to add some effects to this eclipse. The first word you have to add is color overlay. Now what you have to do is select the blend mode to normal, make the opacity 100, and select whatever the neon color you want. I'm choosing blue for this one. Hit OK. Now we have to add inner glow. Just click on inner glow and set the blend option to normal. Select the color to white and hit OK. And now what you have to do is select the source to center, make the choke to 0, size 25. You can see this contour. What you have to do is select this one, and that's it for the inner glow. You can see it is looking like this now. It's not perfectly blue, you can see. Now what we have to add is drop shadow, and select the same color of your neon. Hit OK and select the blend mode to linear dodge. Select the opacity to 100, make the distance to 0, spread and 0, and make the size to full, and select the size to 250. And then we have to add outer glow. Just click on this outer glow and make the blend mode to linear dodge. Once again, select your neon color, say OK, and make the size till 60 and opacity to 50. Now we are done from here. Now what you have to do is click on OK. What you have to do is, as you can see, the eclipse is over the model. What you have to do is click on your photo. Now go to this magic wand tool again, and you can see here, select subject, click here and wait for a few seconds. And as you can see, it has made up a selection of our model. Now what you have to do is click on this eclipse layer and just click on this mask button. As you can see, the mask is on the model, not behind the model. So what you have to do is press Ctrl plus I. Now as you can see, the eclipse is behind the model. Now what you have to do is select your foreground color to white, select the brush tool, paint it to make it visible from the front. Make sure your foreground color is white. Now what you have to do is add a hue and saturation there. So you can see this icon, just click here and add a hue and saturation there. Now what you have to do is click on this colorize option and make the saturation to full, 200, and now select the hue to your neon color, which is blue in my case. You can select whatever color you want, and now once you're done, now go back to the layers. Now what you have to do is double click on this hue and saturation. In blending options, you will see this layer. Now what you have to do is press alt and drag this to the middle. Now as you can see, the intensity of the blue color is now less. Now just click on OK. Now what we have to do is create the new layer, and now select your brush tool and select the color of your hue color. Now you go with the pen tool and click on your eclipse, and now click on OK. Now what you have to do is give two splashes of brush here and here. Now just change its blending mode to linear dodge, and just reduce the fill to 50 or 20%. 45 looks good. And now what you have to do is, I have given a brush link in the description. Just download that brush, import it to your Photoshop. It's a smooth brush. Now what you have to do is select select to your hue color and make a new layer again, and now just change where you want the smoke to be. Now what you have to do is click on this mask icon, and now just select the foreground to black, and now just start erasing where you don't want the smoke to be. For example, I'm erasing all the smoke from the model. You can see the before and after. Looks good. For boom, you're done. Now what you need to do is go to file and go to export as png, and now save it where you want, and boom, you're done. So yeah, that's it for this video. Peace.